This is what it looks like now. Rocks holding it down. And pieces of rebar. And there's the rose in the middle. Oh man. It's gonna be so much easier to weed.
Oh yeah.
6 rows instead of fucking 11.
Well, it's like, look at what's already happening. It's taking over.
Yeah. Okay. Piece of advice. If you're putting these things down, don't use rocks, okay? Because already, that's what happens, okay? You see what I'm saying here? So get these rocks out of here and get yourself some spiky spikes, okay? These, you know, they've got a blunt end, but they work. I hope you can see this. But it's blocked by the rock. Let's see. Where can I put this? In the dirt? That will work. So see right here? You following me, camera guy? Right? And then eventually it goes, it cooperates. Come on. Eventually, oh there, see? And then it smooths out. You can go right in. Oh. Oh shit, I lost the thing. That's bad. You don't want to lose the thing. That's the thing. You know what I'm talking about? That thing? Yeah, see? You don't want to lose the thing. Come on, what is this? What do you think this is, huh? Some kind of amateur show? No. Okay. Revolution. Do that first. See that? One-hander. The only thing is that thing still likes to go too deep. Boom. There it is. From Ogie's. Beautiful. Check this out. Ooh. Whoop. Ooh. Whoop. Ooh. Whoop. Ooh. So everything's planted now. Those were just some lettuces that lived from last year. And then there's a whole bunch of lettuce in here. It's not coming up yet though, obviously. Planted yesterday. And there's some onions. And some more. We're gonna fill that in too. That's lettuce. Tomatoes are all in here. Some of them look a little wilty. Like they could use more water. Watered them for a while last night though. More tomatoes. 3 zucchinis, peas, and then that whole row's beans up to there, and that's nothing. And we're gonna put potatoes back there. And that's it. That's the whole thing. And there's the sprinkler.